In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System. Then tap on Gestures. Select one-handed mode and click on this switcher next to Use one-handed mode to activate it. It will only work if you have gesture navigation. Then make sure that pull screen into reach is on and follow all of those instructions. Pull down the top half of your screen so it's easier to reach with one hand. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode, use the same switcher. If you are using Tricky's navigation, scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut instead. Then tap on Got It and tap on this little shortcut to switch on or off one-handed mode. You can also just swipe up or click on this area. To deactivate it, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!